All right, we're going to do some geography review because we haven't done um, our whole United States for a little bit, and then we're going to review our territories too. So I just wanted to quickly do a video of just, I think we've done them in another video, but this will just be a second one just to make sure that we know where our states are and what they are and all of that. So that's very important. And remember, at the back of your history book, you have access to all of these maps to be studying over. Because don't forget, on your tests and quizzes, there are always maps. So you want to make sure that you know each of the states and where they are, so that when we get to those maps, we will know those and have those down. All right, so let's start here. Good. Wyoming, Michigan, Oregon. Good. Whoops, sorry. New Mexico. Good. Arizona, Arkansas. Good. Kansas, Iowa, Pennsylvania, Montana, Maine, North Carolina. Good. Obviously. Yep. Louisiana. Super. Utah, Idaho. Good. Oregon, Wyoming again. South Dakota. Good. Minnesota. Excellent. Wisconsin. Arkansas again. Oklahoma, Tennessee, Virginia. Good. Ohio, Wisconsin, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, right over here on the side. Rhode Island. It's so tiny I can barely even show it to you. Rhode Island. What about there? That's Delaware right there. Okay, so smallest, second smallest, and then us. Connecticut, yes. New Jersey, good. Virginia, good. Georgia, excellent. South Carolina, excuse me. Georgia, good. Obviously, Florida, good. Alabama, Mississippi, Nevada, good. I'm trying to think. I think we've done most of these. Arizona, Nebraska. We did Arkansas. We did Iowa. We did Indiana. We did Oklahoma, right? Colorado. I don't think we did Colorado yet. Oh, Washington. We haven't done that one. Alaska, good. Hawaii. Arizona, good. Utah, Idaho, excellent. Minnesota, Massachusetts, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Kentucky, North Carolina, Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana. Good. Can you keep up with me? Good. Okay, so know those states. Get the idea of where they are. Know the shapes are easy. With some of them, I gave you little hints to recognize the mitten or the chef with his chef hat, or the whale for West Virginia, or the diamond for South Carolina, the L for Louisiana. We know Texas. And just thinking carefully about each of these different parts. Some of them that are completely square, like Colorado, or that rectangle, like Kansas. Think those through very carefully. Then we have our territories. I'm just going to try to put this on top of here because I don't have the time to switch it all out. So bear with me. We talked yesterday that the United States has 5 territories. And so we need to recognize where those are. And those should be easy with just those 5. Way over here, we said there's the island of Guam. Very good. And then right above Guam, Northern Mariana Islands. Then over here, right near United States, not far from Florida, 1,000 or so miles from Florida, Puerto Rico. Then we come back out here to American Samoa. And then right near Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, okay? So Guam, Northern Mariana Islands, Puerto Rico, American Samoa, U.S. Virgin Islands. So Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, American Samoa, Northern Mariana Islands, and Guam, okay? So recognize those as well. I don't know that they'll be on a test necessarily, but they're important things to be able to know and to have an idea of. All right, now really quickly, again, we're going to do, oh, I knew that was going to happen, a quick I Spy. And I want you have to give me, because I'm not going to give you the answer, so you have to tell me that you figured out what I'm spying, okay? So I spy an ocean on the western side of the United States. So think of where the west is. I spy, oh, all right, okay. I spy an ocean to the west of the United States. What is that ocean? Okay, so think of where west is and tell me what that would be. I spy the state south of Oklahoma. What's the state south of Oklahoma? Ladybug. Write that, show me, write it down. You have to put it in the comments somewhere, whether you do it in Google Classroom or whether you do it on YouTube. It's fine, either one, but give me something. I only have about 2 of you that will give me those answers. I want to see everybody putting those down there, okay? So the ocean west of the United States, the state south of Oklahoma. I spy the state north of California. State north of California. And then I spy the state, the only state that is an island. The only state that is an island, okay? So I want you to be looking at those carefully and answer those. So it's just I spy the ocean that is to the west of the United States. I spy the state that is south of Oklahoma. I spy the state that is north of California. And I spy the only state that is an island. So tell me what those are down below. All right, and then we're going to come back in the next video and talk more about Jim Thorpe. See you soon.